Hi boys and girls, Miss Frank here to do your daily calendar review on this fantastic last day in April. So, our pattern for this month was sun, umbrella, flower, rain, and yesterday we had a sun. So what kind of shape are we going to have today? Let's check and find out. It's an umbrella because yesterday was A, so today is going to be B. All right. So today is Thursday. So let's say that today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. Okay, if today is Thursday, boys and girls, what was yesterday? Yesterday was, well, I took the box, not the word, Wednesday. And if today is Thursday, what is tomorrow going to be? Friday. All right, let's say that together. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Excellent. All right, now this gets a little bit trickier because we're going to talk about the day before and the day after. So today is the 30th. What is the day before? Good. The day before is going to be the 29th. All right, now if I want to do the day after, there is no more pieces on the calendar. So I'm going to have to figure out that once I come to the end of the month, a new one starts. And how does every new month start with what number? 1. So tomorrow is the 1st. Now it's the 1st of what month? What month comes after April? Let's say the months. January, February, March, April, May. So tomorrow is going to be May the 1st. Tricky, huh? All right, let's do our spiral review. What shape is below the circle? So you have a pencil and piece of paper ready, and go ahead and draw the shape that is below the circle. All right, so here's my circle, boys and girls, and I want to look for what's below. So below is going to be this direction, so down. So below the circle is a square, and I know it's a square because it has 4 equal sides. Oh, there we go. All righty, next question. Blank and blank is blank, so go ahead and write that number sentence down. All right, boys and girls, if you are not ready, go ahead and press pause. Miss Frank is going to move on. So the first thing I have to do is look for my reds. How many reds do you see? 1. I see 1 red. So 1 and, how many yellows are there? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 is 5. Excellent. 1 and 4 is 5. All right, next question. Draw a set with more than 7 in it. So you can draw circles or squares or triangles. You could draw something else. It's up to you, but you just need to draw a set with more than 7. All right, boys and girls, if you didn't have a chance to finish up, go ahead and press that pause button. But how many did you draw? Excellent. I hope that you did an excellent job, and I'm sure that you did. All right, last question. Another one. Write your numbers 0 to 20. All right, this is where I'm going to leave you, boys and girls. You work on those numbers 0 to 20. I love you. I miss you, and I hope you all are having a fantastic last day in April. I'll see you in May.